Hello guys, today I have the XIAOMI Mijia Smart on the glasses, as someone called it. I don't know how to pronounce it, and I'm going to show you how to assemble these glasses. At first you need to place your glasses, maybe to get your glasses in your hands like this. Here we have the left side, of course, here we have the right side. Take the left, as you can see, the left ear piece, maybe, as someone called it. Here this piece to distinguish which is which. Here, this thing over here, this logo Mia, should be to the outside. Now here you need to just pull this hole until you hear a click. Now it's done. The right side is done. The same you need to do with the opposite side, which is the right side. Plug. Here we didn't get a click, I have no idea why, but it's mounted, as you can see well. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.